it's John here from the Professional Nail School and Beauty Academy. I'm carrying on with this series and I'm just going to look how to put an ombre onto this nail with a powder. I've applied my gel polish and I've just top coated it with a no wipe top coat, and I've just buffed it over with a really smooth buffing block, and it gives this like matte finish, as you can see. And what I need to do now is to apply some more top coat. Again, this is a no wipe top coat. I'm just going to put a thin layer onto the nail here, all the way down. Like so. And then I'm just going to zap that for about 10 seconds. Then I'm going to get my powders here, and again, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with this, but let's have a look. Right, so I'm going to get my mauve powder. I'm just going to put it onto the nail. And fade that down the nail. And then I'm just going to get my brown powder, pop it on the end here, and then I'm just going to blend those two together. There is your ombre, as you can see. Now I'm going to apply my top coat again, so that I get a coat over the top. And of course you can mix this in with other things you can do. I could have put it under a stamp art. I can draw something on top, on top of this top coat once I've done it, and then re-top coat. So there is my ombre, as you can see. And now I'm going to zap that for the full 60 seconds. Once the 60 seconds is up, I will remove it from the lamp. And there is our finished nail, with the ombre on there. So it's John signing out from Professional Nail School and Beauty Academy.